Have you ever felt like finance is a foreign language, like everyone's talking about dividends, inflation, and markets, but no one's explaining what it means? Well, that ends today. Welcome to the Smart Money Sister, and this is the first episode of our A to Z of Finance mini-series, your no-jargon guide to understanding money, investing, and building wealth from the ground up. Let's kick things off with the first three letters, A, B, and C. A is for asset. An asset is anything of value that you own, like stocks, bonds, cash, property, or even commodities like gold. In investing, assets are what you buy to grow your wealth. Think of them as your financial building blocks. The more valuable assets you own, the stronger your financial foundation becomes. Anything you own can be deemed an asset. The difference is that something like a car will be worth less every year, whilst the assets we are talking about should generate more value over time. B is for bond. A bond is basically a loan you give to a company or government. In return, they pay you interest and eventually give your money back. Bonds are considered lower risk than stocks and are often used to balance out a portfolio. If stocks are the thrill ride, bonds are the steady cruise. There are two common types: a corporate bond, which is a loan to a company, and a government bond, which, as the name suggests, is a loan to the government. In the UK, these are called gilts. C is for capital. This is the money you use to invest or grow a business. It can be your savings, profits, or even borrowed funds. Capital is what fuels your financial journey. It's the resource that helps you take action, whether you're buying shares, starting a side hustle, or investing in property. That's why you sometimes see the phrase, "your capital is at risk." So, there you have it, the first three simple terms that form the foundation of smart investing. In the next episode, we'll dive into D, E, and F, covering dividend, ETF, and fund. So make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Whilst you're there, hit the like button and leave me a comment with any other financial terms that start with A, B, or C. This is the Smart Money Sister, helping you decode finance one letter at a time.